you had asked me a little bit about how did this come to be. You've done a lot of traveling. I know that because we've talked, all right? This really kind of got started because of some of the travels. When you purchase products here, and you purchase products in Europe, and you purchase products in Asia, they're all different because every culture, every area has an idea of what is a good product, what is something that makes me feel good. There are lots of things that I found all over the world that I think we're lacking in this country that I don't find in products. And I really wanted to create and develop something that, number one, was unique, number two, added benefit to your skin. You are going to get a bang for your buck. You're going to get a product line that has a lot more active ingredient than what you get over the counter. Over the counter is regulated, and you're getting only a small percentage of active ingredient. Active ingredient is what you should be paying for. But if you're only getting 1, 2, or 3% active ingredient, you're paying a lot for a very tiny amount. Every product that I have is at least 50% active ingredient, and yet it's hypoallergenic. It has a lot of benefit. It has a soft fragrance, and it is something that you don't have to use a huge quantity. So you don't have to reach into a jar and do a big scoop and handful so that it feels like it spreads. Everything spreads very easily. You've used some of the product before, and you know how far it goes. But a lot of time has gone into trying to develop something that, one, will fit a lot of skin types and yet keep simplicity in our life, all right? The other thing is, too, I'm very proud of the packaging, but that's not what we're going to spend our money for. We want to spend our money for things that are inside. All of the ingredients that are there are pharmaceutical grade, which means that you're getting a better quality, a more pure quality, and a higher percentage of active ingredient. Active ingredient is what does the work. The rest of it is either to preserve it so that it can sit on the shelf, or to give it fragrance, or to give it that smooth glide, or in the case of the cleanser, to give it a bit of a foam. But foaming, as I said earlier to you, is not what cleans your skin. It just gives you that sensation that it's a little bit cleaner, all right? The vitamin C is a very, very high, very concentrated vitamin C. It is buffered, which means that it's non-irritating to the skin, and yet it's got all of the properties in it that will help exfoliate, help keep the skin healthy, help keep the skin turning over cellularly. Right now, you're young, so you're getting a lot of healthy cellular turnover. As you get closer to my age, you get more of the skin that is dying off. You have more heavier dead cellular material than you have youthful cells turning over. This helps with the exfoliating. As we get into our age, we'll move from a lighter type of cream to a heavier, but again, you don't want something that's going to weight the skin down. So many of the products that I have brought in, I have learned because of being either in Asia or in Europe, where, again, simplicity is important. Effectiveness is important. And that's why I've tried to put everything that I can into developing this. I've used compounding pharmacists. I've used chemists to help me. We have worked together to try to develop something that will help most skin types. You have any questions?
No.
All right. This is easily purchased either through the spa, or we are capable of selling online at tdmedicalspadallas.com.
All right.
All right. I look forward to you coming in.
Thank you.
Okay.